Anthropic just gave AI agents hands, real ones, and they're already operating microscopes, robotic arms, and factory machines. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald.
This is Friday, August 28, 2020.
In AI News today, Anthropic just extended its MCP framework into the physical world. Their new model hardware standard lets AI agents directly operate lab and manufacturing equipment, think microscopes, robotic arms, and liquid handlers.
Setup time drops from weeks to just hours. Partners like Tekin Kiagan and AWS are already on board.
Physical AI just got very real. Also from the AI industry, Nvidia is reportedly set to acquire Hugging Face for a staggering $12.9 billion. Hugging Face is the go-to repository for open-source AI models used by millions of developers worldwide. If this deal closes, Nvidia won't just own the chips powering AI, it'll own the models running on them. That's a seismic shift in market power. In science news, UK surgeons just performed the world's first brain surgery with a live AI video assistant. The system analyzed the surgical camera feed in real time, color-coding hidden arteries and optic nerves that surgeons could otherwise miss. The result? The patient's vision was restored. This isn't a simulation or a trial. It happened in a live operating room. Also in AI policy, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Microsoft, and 113 other companies just co-signed an open letter warning that AI-enabled cyber attacks are an urgent and growing threat. Hospitals and tech firms are called out as especially vulnerable. When direct rivals sign the same letter, you know the alarm is genuine. Governments are being urged to act now on collective cyber defense. In AI trends, voice-controlled AI agents are breaking out of Silicon Valley's early adopter bubble. Apple's move to ship AI dictation alongside a rebuilt Siri in iOS 27 is a tipping point. Millions of everyday users are about to shift from typing commands to simply speaking them, and AI agents are ready to act on those words instantly. The voice-first era is here. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about AI agents controlling physical lab equipment in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.